place, and it's called Honey Waterfalls. It's very close to Kislavod, and today is the 22nd of July, and we're here now. Look at this waterfall, Honey Waterfall. What it's honey? I don't know. But this is the name. I just recorded, but nothing happened. I don't know what happened with my camera. It wasn't working, and I was talking a lot, and I was trying to explain everything. So, but I can repeat. I hope this video will be fine. So, Losha is taking pictures, and Svetlana and Tatiana. Just wave, say hello. Oh, okay. So there were bees and they were living here. I don't know if they're here now. So what is the name of God? Brave man. Света wants the same. So bees were living here and doves now. Can you see the birch, this tree? It looks like it can fall down. But I hope it's not. It won't fall. Sveta wants to swim. Tatiana wants to go down there. Тань, так вот немножко поводи, чтобы я тоже попала. So, Tatiana will take a video of me. I'm in white today. Great place here, really great place.
А теперь ныряйте.
She's wet. Сейчас, секундочку, я закончу.
Ага.
Там так встанешь и... Давай нет, вот. It's a great place. Hope you like it. А ну-ка меня тоже. Меня тоже. Что у меня на голове? А так меня видно? Давай меня с Татьяной.
Давай.
Да.
Водопада не видно.
Хорошо. So there are some next waterfalls as well. Okay, I have to discover those waterfalls as well. It's rather slippery here. Что у меня сверху, снизу? rather dangerous. Nikita! Nikita, don't fall! God, it's not easy to step down. Okay, my poor... Okay. I hope I won't fall down. People try these things just for memory. Or maybe they make a wish, who knows? So I'll make a wish as well. But I don't have a handkerchief. What's my wish? I still don't know what I want. I know what I want, yeah, so I will make a wish. Okay, I have to check if this video is fine, because the previous video was rubbish, and it wasn't rubbish, it was wonderful, but it wasn't saved on my camera. So I just have to buy a new camera. Yes, it's my wish to have a great camera, and I can take a lot of pictures and videos. So this is my wish. Okay, let me check. Kiss you. Bye bye.